Hello again, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you my favorite baby carrier. I did use a Maya wrap with my other two girls, but for some reason it did not fit with this baby. This little princess right here, our little model for today. So I went with the ERGO carrier and I went with the 360, the Omni 360, and I'm going to share with you that in today's video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Thoughtful Savvy Mom, where I share thoughtful and savvy things for motherhood and lifestyle. So if you are new, please make sure to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting my channel. And with all that said, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so I went with the, like I said, the ERGO Carrier Omni 360. Basically what this means is that I can carry her forward facing. Alright, so I've been using this since she was about a month and a half old. It's been great. I'm going to share with you the features of it and then show you how I get the baby on. So the first thing, I'm just going to start with the front. It comes with a little canopy for sun protection that you lock in place when she's on your shoulder. These clip in on the strap here. So we have that. This piece here folds down if you want to, like if she's forward facing, so that her face is here and it's not covered. If you have her facing into you, then you can put this for head support. Then the next piece, the real nice convenient piece, is that it comes with a little bag here, open spot, and then also a zippered area. So that's very convenient. This color is, in case you're wondering, this is the pearl gray, and the straps are nice and thick for comfort. The straps can get bigger too. Back here, this was the biggest difference between the ERGO carriers, was the back part of it was very, I guess the other ones are smaller. This one gives you a lot of support on the back area. So that's nice. And then here you have the different measurements that you can utilize as your baby gets bigger. So here is up until 20 inches, 24 inches, 28 inches. All right, so you can move it according to that, and it's just Velcro. You adjust it. What else did I want to tell you? Okay, so the carrier will go on like this, and you can put the baby facing you, facing out. You can also carry the baby like a backpack, like this. I haven't yet done this one myself. Somebody's going to have to help you put the baby on. But you can carry it like a backpack. And the other hold is when you can do the side carry. You carry the baby on the side. So you would carry them here, and you would put the baby on your side like this. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you now how I get the baby on me. So I have the baby to be forward facing first. So I get this little munchkin. Hi. Okay. And so you just hold her like this. You put one arm in. You put the other arm in. Always securing with one hand the baby, making sure that she always has support. And then now I'm going to snap the back. Easy. Easy to do with one person, but if you have somebody to help you, it makes it better. So you just kind of adjust it as such. If you want to make it bigger, longer, wider, you just move these straps. And they come with this little this little band, so you can make it shorter if you want to. Alright, so this is it. This is forward facing. This is a reason why I got the Omni 360, because I wanted to make sure I can carry her like this. So very convenient, very comfortable. She can see everything. She can stay busy while I do what I need to do at the grocery store, at the mall, at the park, wherever it is that we go. She's comfortable. She's with me. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I take her off and I put her in the inward position. So if you own an ERGO carrier, please be sure to comment below and let me know which one you own. Or if you have another brand of carrier that you really love, let me know in the comment below. And I look forward to reading those. You want to make sure you change the buttons here to be on the black for the outer, wider, so that her tushy can fit in there. We got that in there. So easy, so quick. It's light, breathable. So now the baby's ready to come on in. Now we're gonna go for the inward facing. Okay, so I'm holding her like this, like if I was carrying her, and I just open her, just spread her legs a little bit. Oh my goodness, what are you looking at? What do you see, your toys? You want to get your toys? And I just kind of feed her in through here. Okay, put one arm in. Oh, you don't want to go like this? Come here. Shh, 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 shh. Okay. But we're going to go on a little trip. Come here. Okay, so I got her in. And I'm just going to put this in. I do want to say that this carrier is good from 7 pounds up until 33 pounds. I know it seems like a little bit, but I looked up how much a baby weighs like at age 2, age 1, and it's not 33 pounds. So you're going to be fine. So there it is for the inward facing. And then if she's sleeping, I can put this here, or when they're newborn for head support, or like this. Right now she doesn't want to be here. She's battling a little cold. And that's pretty much it. So to take her off, I snap back here, hold it, and just put one arm here, take her off like this, and then, I know, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? I wanted to share with you how I keep my ERGO carrier when I'm out and about. So when I take it off, I just take the straps, kind of fold them in here on top of each other like this, and then I basically just roll the carrier down. So I can show you the camera, okay? So now I close it in, and that's where I tighten these straps so that it stays secured in. So I shorten the straps on both sides. So when I go to put it on, I will then loosen those straps again. So I close it like this. So this. Alright. Other great features of this carrier is that it's machine washable. Yay. And you can also crisscross the straps in the back if you want a more snugger fit. Alright, so that's how I put it in here. And then now I found this bag that I had. Should have got it at Target for the baby registry, and happens to be gray. And I just use that to keep the ERGO carrier in. Perfectly in here, so it's ready to go when I need to get to grab it to get out of the house, or when I'm at the store, just grab it and take it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video of our ERGO carrier. If you did, please be sure to click on the thumbs up. Oh my goodness! I did it, a model fell